Hello everybody, Aki here. Welcome back to Enroll. Last time we showed I we saw the past on what happened to Gardenia. I don't know who is the killer yet, but let's see what is the next revelation we would see. Without further ado, let's play. This game is really dark, huh? Okay. Wait, what should I do next? Let's ask the Hey Russell, morning. Here to hear some valuable info about your happy dream. I'll listen, alright? The moment I can tell you this much, what will it be? What should I do next? Right. Today will greatly involve Cody. Some trouble out is afoot at the church. Also, you already got your ID card. You should take the opportunity to look around the other towns. Everything that exists in this world is a figment of your mind. There's nothing to fear. And also, let's see, Tabasa is concerned about something. If you have time for him, why not see? Why not see what's up? And Dreams and Trading seems to have opened a Happy Dream branch. Why not give the employees? The shop is located somewhere in Dozing Forest, perhaps. It doesn't seem to be too far. Okay, let's greet those little shits. Cody. Yumi. How are you doing? Me? On my morning watch, as you can see. I just didn't about that Mansulin's pattern lately. I went around asking everybody after it got reports in a couple places how to step up the vigilance. Everybody's thinking it were just their imagination, but don't seem to be the case. She really take it to art, eh? Oh, let's go. Oh, it's not, maybe she's out. Let's go to the church. Oof, it came from inside the church going. Of course, enter. What happened? Now I've done it. What should I do if Dogma finds out about this? Yeah, what are you looking at? Hold on, were you watching? I was just trying to clean that statue, but my hand slipped. And then, if my brother finds out, he's so absolutely going to kill me. He really violated this. Luckily, he's out today. I need to do something fast. Russell, and Mayor is not what they think I should do. You should just apologize. Oof. You think so? Huh? Yeah, I'm sure he'll be really mad, but I feel like that's best. But he'll be really mad. In that case, let's make haste. I need to find Dogma and apologize to him ASAP. Since you were watching, I'm having you help to galit. Ay, check ko rin pala si si Tabasa, yung taga-gunner. Pop balloon. Wonder what I should do for this. Probably like a banana, right? Oh, didn't see you there. Sorry, I was just thinking. What's up? Oh well, it's about that weird monster we saw in Dosing Forest. Sure, it did attack us, but with how harsh I was on it, I feel kinda restless at night. Maybe it just be for my own satisfaction, but I'm thinking of making a grade or something. You know, and like when you make a grave, you need an offering, right? But I'm stuck on what to go with. I'd like to get some great flowers, but there's nothing like that around. What should I do? Okay. Sub events. In this world, there are places where events will occur if certain members are in the party. Complete a sub event, you may learn new skills or get items. However, many sub events are only available within a brief time frame, so act fast. So of course, you're free to ignore them. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Okay. So, yourself. If you find any flowers that be good for an offering, could you take me to them? I mean, don't wanna bother you, just as your own convenience if you feel like it, yeah. Okay, let's go. Saan kaya? Saan kaya yun? Should I go? Go to the other towns. Play. Is it true you've been overcharging your customers again? You know that's not good. Did you forget how the higher ups got angry with you before? Don't side-eye me like that. Partner, if they don't haggle me down, why not sell at the asking price? That's still no good. If customers start trusting you, and stop buying goods too. Sheesh, you're strict. Not like it's illegal or anything. Hey, whoa, if it isn't my good buddy, it's nice to see you again. Welcome. This is Dream Send Trade HD branch. A store available only to users of Happy Dream. Here, we sell things that cannot be bought at normal shops. I'm sure it'll come in useful. Really not much of a promoter, huh? This is when you seal the deal. You gotta go harder than that. Anyway, didn't think you'd be coming to the store too. I'm generally a peddler, so I'm out to work now. But enjoy yourself here, I guess. We've got stuff in stock that should be useful in your game, so hope your patronage. This can have you got any gifts from that man that was here. But he's rather greedy. If you buy at the price he first tells you, it's a slight loss. I keep telling him off for it. I'm sorry, I haven't changed his ways. It's fine. Ano? Super Bowl. Where's not the teams? Only Super Bowl? Okay. 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 Let's buy some. Welcome this. Okay. Yes. Attack up. Okay. It's you. Odd place for us to meet. Another date as yesterday. And with a different girl. You're full of surprise, you are. Ensure things do not get messy. You must watch your back if you play with women's hearts. Of course. Defensiveness. Attack boost. Okay. Let's find some things. Oh, it appears you come from another town. Welcome to Darkover town. As the name indicates, the sun does not shine on this town. But that's just fine. You don't need light in a coffin. Okay, let's explore. Say there, this may catch you off guard, but do you like to help people? I do. Well, that's quite nice. I would have thought at a glance, but you can judge people on appearance indeed. Just between us, it seems there are skills you and your friends can only learn through helping people. Yes, skills may be realized or trained through experimenting with various things. That that's just how they are. For that reason, if you see a troubled person, you should try to help them if you can. It certainly won't be a waste. Okay. I've always loved funerals. I like them more than track meets, birthday parties, or Christmas. Yet I was wary of what others saw, so I had to pretend I was sad whenever there was a funeral. It was a very painful thing. Well, it's death after all. You're looking at your death. You're looking at the dead person. But in this world, there's no need for self-control because we know you more than anyone. Now that was flowers for the dead. Laden flowers like a thick, sweet certain are well suited for the mourning the dead. This is the flowers as and it is anything you require. Okay. Let's talk to both the dead and the living request equal rest. Don't they? Will you take a short rest? So, no, not necessarily. Everything's beautiful. Strange capsule. Flower gives a strong smell. You with the solemn face, have you ever been to the Dreamy Hill? Well, you can get there via route to the north. It's rather a nice place. It has good dark mood. If I pick your interest, you should go visit. It's a fantastic location, and it is our top tourist spot. Hello, I'm Hintman, a spiritual thing. This may be a awkward question, but are you aware of elements? Ice is effective against enemies who uses fire. Fire is effective against enemies who use ice. And holy is good for dark like enemies. Dark is good for holy like enemies. It's all very simple. In this world, there are spells and equipment to increase elemental resistance. You should make use of them. That is all for today's hint. This respect call for Mr. Hintman. Remember your hint manners. Okay, let's go. Okay, there, Dogma. Well, looks like he's working. Let's wait a little longer. It should be done very soon. Let's take a rest in the air. Here, come back to see him. He should be about done by then. Okay, let's find some flowers. Tourist area, the cemetery. Kulit. Oh dear. Okay. Whew. Should I go here? Man, this ain't good, but going back, but to get it'd be Mia. You got business with us, Mia? What's up? Yeah, see me and him we drop a little something in the cave here. Go get it, but my pulse going through some withdrawal, Mia. Redraw. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. I gotta be fake. We met you. Will you go and get the stuff for us? Don't make that face at me. I'll pay you back. Count on it. You gotta help me. Yeah, and the stuff is in a white paper bag. Don't you dare look inside me. Ow! Later, I need to find some flowers. Hey, this is sudden, but are you a seaside relaxing fan or a seaside reliving fan? Huh? What do I mean? I'm talking about those two hotels. There's a fierce rivalry between them. Seems relations are pretty strained. My son, frolicking babes, in my rippling muscle. This is Seaside, the town of eternal summer. If you're feeling glum, kid, get refreshed at Seaside Resort. Okay, I'm Kelp. All the people here are actually all Kelp. Did you know that? Since we're Kelp, sorry if we say anything deeply profound, but don't take us too seriously. Because we're Kelp. Whoa, is it true? Is the mega famous dozen more short really here in Seaside? Does that mean is she in a swimsuit? Sexy famous actress. Ho. Okay. I want to ride on those waves and float somewhere far away. That's a thing we can do. Yes, because we're Kelp. The beach shore is nice. I'll need to flaunt this voluptuous body of mine while I'm young. Back up, do you know what this is? This is known by who know her, or known by all who know her. The mega famous sexy actress, the great Dazzling Moonshot. Here, her defense squad, or rather her bodyguard, so back off. Hey boy, have some with super with sexy actress. This is Moonshot. As you can see, I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation at the moment. If you want an autograph, come later. I don't care. The bodyguards are just dazzled by Madame Moshe's beauty. Which means if you end up Madame Moshe in front of us, oh, it'll be a bad scene. Lots of crying and shouting. Okay, I don't care. The reception is your partner if you can answer my first things first. Pause and upload something like this. Kinda might be kinda obscene here. Oh, what should I sound like? I just hey, did you know that super famous dancing majority is here in Seaside? I'm a huge fan of Dazzling Moonshot. To be honest, I kind of want her autograph, but oof, I know. Would you go get Dazzin's autograph for me? If it's a kid asking, there might be a little bit of chance. Okay, did you really think you take this paper? Get Dazzin's autograph on this for me, please. It should be somewhere in Seaside text in advance. Hey boy, have some business with Super Celebrity. I can say no to a request from such a good boy. I'm all about those. Can you give me that paper? Bye. I'll even add in a little extra kiss mark. Obtain an autograph paper. Noticing my chance at your age, you have good prospects, boy. Take, take good care of my autograph with kiss mark, will you? You'll be in a world of pain if I find you sold it at anorexia. Oh. Auction eh, no? Okay. Can let you through here, yeah. Gonna keep it clean until the release of the Seas Festival, yeah. The Sea Festival, please soon bring a friend or a lover, yeah. Oh, how is it that you get this autograph handed off the autograph paper? Yeah, wow. That's and it's got a kiss mark on it. Sexy dynamite. Alright, take this as thanks. Sea compass. Okay. Well, thank you so much for this. I'll treasure this my whole life. I'll be bragging out to my family and friends about it. Tundagaling. Okay. So, should I get the flower? Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, human. How'd you get in here? Oh, well, if you're here, it must be because you wanna buy a catnip, right? Is the cat is secret catnip room. Don't tell us all, Mia. Man, he must have read this dream. What's wrong with this guy said? Whoa, hey there, bud. Didn't hear nothing, alright? Wanna see my wholesale trader goods? Today's item is an iron pole. All part fitted for 24 months. How about it? I won't. Come on now, haven't you heard that offense is the best defense, eh? Alright. I'll bring it down to 18 walnuts. So, gotta buy? You'll buy, right? No, it's not dice. I mean, sure. It's even weaker, more than unwieldy than it looks. Well, I'm gonna be intruding on the stream for a little longer. Come by if you need to. Got me? Okay. Oof. Okay. It's pretty obviously gonna equip the equipment or it's progress. So get some effective use out of it. This motherfucker. Okay. Too much of a jump. I think 6. I don't know. It's not. You probably already noticed, but we do catnip deals here, Mia. In other words, we're dealers. Catnip is an illegal substance like what humans call drugs. It's a profitable business, Mia. Customers wanna buy some freshly picked catnip? Oh, Mia. It's only cats who get put in a trance by catnip. Doesn't harm humans one bit. Okay, I'll buy it. Alright, Mia. This is your first buy. I'll give you 1 bag for 6 bonus per buy, Mia. Sure. Come on, come back. Okay, get some of this. Highly recommended. Okay. Okay, okay. Alright, Mia. Sure. Thank you. That just yourself, but sure coming to coming na, Mia. Okay, thank you. Oof. Oof. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Young. So Philip have such plans as well, yeah. After all, we can make such profit from watering plants, Mia. No business is better than this. I'm rolling in so much profit. Watering cans are disposable, not that structure, Mia. I know, I'll give this to you, Mia. It was going to throw it out anyway, so don't be shy now. Okay, thank you. If you water plants, good things are sure to happen. Nothing planted in a field or pot, so you should try watering it, Mia. But you can't further grow anything that's already grown, Mia. No point watering it more. You water developing plants, Mia. You can try watering the pots around here first. It'd be less work for me, Mia. So two birds with one stone, Mia. Small bud. What kind of plant is it? I give some water. Water. Oh hey. Mas obliged niya. I add like other plants in that I don't spit out seeds so easy. So easy is the thing. Sorry about that. Yeah, well, to be blunt, sorta a beast from kinda deal. Don't think bad of me. You hear? Okay, I hope. Bad nip ba yan? Okay, blue seed. Wait, where's... Okay. Okay. I need some flowers for him. Okay. Oh no, red seed. Okay, let's save. Oh, may getting pretty bust. Nice. Doing na chat ni isipin ko. Pure gibberish eh, no? Ang level niya, why not? May brain niya. Just kidding. May ano sa... Okay, I will end this stream. This video today. Goodbye everyone and God bless.